Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing financial hardship and need tax relief, follow these step-by-step instructions to apply for programs that can help reduce your tax burden. Step 1. Assess your financial situation by gathering documents including income statements, bank statements, and bills to prove your hardship. Step 2. Visit the IRS website at irs.gov and navigate to the Help section to explore available relief programs such as installment agreements, offer in compromise, or currently not collectible status. Step 3. Determine which relief program best fits your situation. If you cannot pay your full tax debt, consider an offer in compromise. If you need more time, an installment agreement may be appropriate. Step 4. Download and complete the necessary forms. For an offer in compromise, you'll need Form 656 and Form 433A or 433B. For installment agreements, use the Online Payment Agreement tool or Form 9465. Step 5. Gather supporting documentation proving your financial hardship, including medical bills, unemployment notices, or proof of income reduction. Step 6. Submit your application along with any required fees. Some programs waive fees for low-income taxpayers. Step 7. Wait for IRS review, which can take several months. Continue making any required payments during this period. Step 8. Respond promptly to any IRS requests for additional information. Once approved, follow your payment plan carefully to maintain your relief status. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.